done this position before, I'm sorry. Okay, now, what you do is you're going to tuck your chin in like this and stretch it ever so gently. The more you feel pain going down your neck, the more your body's telling you you should stretch. So look up real quick, regular, and now do it again. If you just feel a stretch going to maybe the mid part of your back, cool. If you feel it going down to the middle, if you feel this going all the way down to your lower back, what is your body telling you? You got to do this. You don't have to stretch. You get to stretch so you can avoid that pain. So let's do it again. Hands behind your back. Take a big belly breath in. Breathe out. And just tuck your chin in. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Okay. Now we're going to go to the side. So instead of going and taking your arm and tearing your neck out of the shoulders, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little staying alive John Travolta style. So what you're going to do is everybody just turn one direction like this. Okay? Now, the way that your head is going with the opposite arm. So if you're going left, you're going to go right. Point 45 degrees that way, and then point 45 degrees this way. Now point like that. And the more that you point, the more that you should feel a stretch. So you're not pulling this way, but you're pointing like that. Do you feel a stretch? Yes. Okay, good. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, good. Now let's go the other way. Now turn your head the opposite direction. Point in the direction that your head is going, and then point 45 degrees that way. And if you're lucky enough like me to have a nice layer of fat that just supports your neck right there, good for you. Here's my story. And relax. Okay, how does your neck feel now? Now, we didn't really do a lot. We just did really very minimal stuff, okay? All right, cool. Now, let's do arm circles forward. You can separate. There you go. I like the way you move forward so you don't knock out your person next to you. And let's do arm circles back. Try doing arm circles while you're filming. The camera's going to be like, what? Right? All right, cool. Now, back and forth. So let's do palms out, back and forth. She's already doing her step. Okay. Arms out, back and forth. You're going to feel a light little stretch in the chest. Okay? Then you put your palms down, and you feel more of a stretch in your biceps. Make sense? Now you go up and back like this, and you'll feel more of a stretch in your shoulders. Try to bring the plane down. All right.